ZANU-PF factional wars are now evident in every decision that President Emerson Mnangagwa makes. Sarapina mashoko zvinzi kuda pachena kuti bato reZANU-PF hamusina kumira zvakanaka. Wes pamusoro a press statement roreleasiwa recently ranyatso kuuya rikanyatso kuprova nekuvalidata kuti kumusoro uko hakuna kana chakanaka, hakusi kana kuti bhodhi rinopisa ndotobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timda pahendo yahopo chimwana kudanyira chiti. This press statement quietly reveals a striking imbalance in power sharing, because while Vice President General Osadino Chiwenga is assigned a clearly defined acting role of just 13 days from 1 to 13 January 2026, Vice President Kebo Mohadi acts for far longer, 9 days from 23 to 31 December 2025, and then again from 14 January until the President returns in early February. Even on the most conservative reading of this press statement, that places Mohadi in the acting role for at least 27 days, and likely well over a month, more than double Chiwenga's times. And for a reason, Mnangagwa trusts Mohadi over Chiwenga. This is not a minor administrative detail. It is a deliberate allocation of authority that favors one vice president decisively, varied the dates and phrasing, but clear to anyone who reads the document carefully. Mnangagwa remains firmly in control unless and until there is an unexpected and decisive rupture from Chiwenga and his inner circle. For now, the balance of power is settled. The structures are intact, and any talk of imminent change remains speculative rather than real. Ndo mashoko anomdaito kana upo yungono waposta ne press statement aunyasoraza kuti azvina kumira zvakanaka muzano pina kuma section medu dzafunguro muri kudi pamusoro aiwa pezvabuda aiwa with the leadership yenyika pina kuma section medu dzafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like cheto on the bell icon.